Causes for industrial sickness. So what can be the cause for industrial signal? First one is the external causes, the changes in government policy. So you are manufacturing some product, and the government says hereafter, whenever you manufacture this product, you have to pay an additional fees. So that is going to be a huge amount of loss for you, right? So change in government industrial policy. Next one is inadequate non-availability or availability and delay of raw material. Either raw material is not available, or raw materials is not sufficiently available, or raw material is available but I cannot bring it on time. So same way, power or labor. So these three things are very, very important for any enterprise: raw material, power, and labor. So these three has to be abundantly available all throughout the time. So any inadequacy or non-availability of raw material or availability with delay cannot be acceptable. So lack or shrinkage of demand. Your products were moving well with the public ones, but now your products have a very lean demand or almost zero demand. People are not ready to buy your products. Because of this, you have a recession. So recessionary trend. Recessionary means the demand is falling. So when demand is going to fall, naturally you need not supply so much because the demand is very poor. So you will not be able to make profit. Frequent industrial strike for by the employees for giving them salaries, bonus, everything. So frequent industrial strike will again bring down the tempo of the company. Shortage of financial resources. So your funds are slowly getting shrinking. So you don't have funds to either develop your company or immediately pay the salary to your employees. A shortage of financial resources. Infrastructure, you have to pay the electricity bill, you have to pay the property tax, water tax, everything you have to pay. Natural calamities, again, you have a heavy rain and your factory is completely damaged. It means huge loss for you. You have to completely start from the beginning. And credit squeeze by the bank. So bank is going to squeeze your credit limit, saying your credit limit is over. You cannot get the loan hereafter unless you pay all your dues back. So all these are external causes which is going to cause industrial